critical asset reached the end of its life, and we had a risk of failure not only for the drainage system of Melbourne, but also for the members of the public when accessing the area. It was about time to renew it, and we took this fantastic opportunity to also enhance the livability for the community of St Kilda and add up a 20 meters diameter viewing platform on the foreshore. The platform delivery was quite challenging. It was delivered at night. Due to its size, 20 meters diameter, it has to be delivered in 3 different modules. Each one weighted almost 20 tons. The total weight of the platform is equivalent of 6 school buses. We had to deliver all the way from the West Gippslands to the foreshore of St Kilda, going through the Monash Freeway and tunnels, taking like almost all the width of the Monash Freeway. And each module had to be installed on the end of the drain with our 280-ton crane on site. The 3 modules of the platform have now been delivered and installed at the end of the drain. The new structure of the drain has been unconnected to an existing structure, so the drain is now operational. Very exciting now to reach the end of the project and be able to reopen for each member of the public to see this great asset and achievement.